Most of videos we make for YouTube or TikTok include both pictures and videos. But many times, a static picture suddenly appearing in a video might look weird. That's why this tutorial comes in. We're going to use 3 examples to teach you how to merge videos and pictures together into a single video naturally. Alright, let's get the video started. We will want to show the main points of the video at the very beginning. We can put a picture related to the main content at the start of the video to explain the shooting spot and set up the overall tone. In addition, we can add some text to help audience quickly get a point of the video. We just need to add a video and a picture clips to VideoProc Flagger. Then add a picture to the timeline. Click on here to add a motion effect for the picture. Hit this button to add a text clip. We can choose the text preset, or make some customized adjustments and add a desired text effects. After the edits for the picture and the text clip, we drag the video onto the video track. Place it next to the picture and the text clips, and go on the edits. Pictures can also be used in our video as a B-roll for enhancing the atmosphere and emotion of the video. Plus, we can add smooth movements to the picture by adding motion effects like zoom in or zoom out. The final work will look much more smoother than what we get from the handheld camera. We can enhance the atmosphere of the loneliness and mystery greatly. It's really easy to do. Go to the timeline. Navigate to the position where we want to insert a picture. Then drag the picture onto video track. After that, we can add the loved transition effect. Pictures are also widely used in a video that records the process that we do something or get something done. For example, do a cooking and makeup painting. With pictures in these videos, our audience can better know the details of the end result. Thus, we can fully immerse our audience. Still, it's easy to do with VideoProc Flagger. After editing the videos, we just drag the pictures and place them next to the video. Then we add a kind of motion effects. We can add as many pictures as we need. If there are multiple pictures, we can add some transitions between them. The final work looks good. After all of this, we can hit export to output the final work. That's all for today's tutorial. Just try out these simple tricks when you want to join your pictures and videos together into one video. If you want to learn more video editing tips or the latest news of VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoy! Bye!